Welcome to a closer look at the Armen Living Silas Bench featuring plush black velvet and sleek acrylic legs. This modern Ottoman bench blends contemporary glam with practical comfort, making it a stylish addition to any room. The soft velvet upholstery provides a cozy seat, while the clear acrylic legs add durability without overpowering your decor. Silver nail heads accent the edges, enhancing its elegant design, available in black or gray velvet. Its compact size of 36 by 20 by 17 inches fits perfectly in living rooms, bedrooms, or entryways. Whether used as a statement piece or extra seating for guests, it elevates your space effortlessly. Assembly is simple, with clear instructions ensuring a hassle-free setup experience. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.